I'm going to sing a song by the Ruppes called Redemptoin Complete. For my salvation, Jesus died, rising my soul, He justified by His Spirit, each day sanctified, raised in His likeness, glorified, and my feet shall stand within the gates. My eyes will see the glory that for me awaits. My hands will touch the wounds that redeemed fallen men. My tongue shall sing glory, hallelujah. Worthy is the Lamb. Oh, blessed thought that thrills my soul. Someday the heavens will backward roll, even if my body is decayed in the sun. Yet in my flesh I shall see God. Those He did foreknow, He did predestinate to be conformed to the image of the great incarnate. Oh, blessed hope, precious promise, so sweet. Lord, hasten that day of redemption complete, and my feet shall stand within the gates. My eyes will see the glory that for me awaits. My hands will touch the wounds that redeem fallen man. My tongue shall sing glory, hallelujah. Worthy is the Lamb. Oh, blessed hope, precious promise, so sweet. Lord, hasten that day. Hasten that day. Hasten that day of redemption complete.